These days, when we want to look for information about something or when we do not know of a certain term, we'll turn to Google. Step 1. The searcher types a query into a search engine. Step 2. Search engine software quickly sorts through millions of pages in its database to find matches to this query. Step 3. The search engine results are ranked in order of relevancy. So, what is Google? Imagine the internet as a big village, where each house in the village are tagged with words describing their homes. Google the King collects information by sending his soldiers out daily to each house and updates them in his big brown book. One day, Lonely Lily is looking for Pimply Paul, but she isn't sure where he stays. So she decides to go to the king for help. The king then searches for Pimply Paul's name in his well-organized big brown book and immediately finds out where Paul lives. Lonely Lily then sets out for the all-blue house and finds Pimply Paul, and they both had a splendid time together. The king and his big brown book are the heroes in our daily story. How else would Lonely Lily find Pimply Paul quickly without the help of Google the King? Google, in this case, is a search engine, a software program that searches for sites based on search terms. Search engines look through their own databases of information to find out what you're looking for. Search engines automatically create website listings by using spiders that crawl web pages. The spiders then index the information and smartly follows that site's links to other pages as well. Spiders return to already crawled sites on a pretty regular basis to check for updates or changes. Everything that these spiders find goes back into the search engine database. Google works that way too, but we are not here to teach you about search engines. We're here to tell you about a term called Googlebomb. Here's explaining link bombing to you, or cheating the search engine in plain English. The terms Googlebomb or Google washing refer to actions by some evil organizations intended to influence the ranking of the pages in results returned by Google search engine. They do so to increase the likelihood of people finding and clicking on the web page. Link bombing is the name of the technique used by webmasters to push a site as much as possible to the top of the search engine results, regardless of whether the website content is relevant to the search field. For instance, if you want to Google for information about Mr. Abel Choi, you type Abel Choi into the search engine. However, the results show Miss Tin Pei Ling. The results are produced based on the same keywords embedded across many websites. The keywords are all links pointing to the same website. So, if there are many web users who tag the keywords Abel Choi with Tin Pei Ling's web page, then Tin Pei Ling's web page will definitely appear at the top of the search engine. This means that once a mass number of sites ran the link with the same keywords, Google's algorithmic search will do the rest and produce a top-ranking prank. Google ranks pages higher for a particular search phrase if more pages are linked to it using similar keywords. Google bombing is also closely related to spamdexing, which is the practice of deliberately modifying HTML pages. Spamdexers try to increase the chance of their website being placed close to the beginning of search engine results in a misleading or dishonest manner. So, instead of being a cheatabug, like the following various companies, learn how to legitimately optimize your search engines. I'll see you in the virtual world. Goodbye.